Hey, it is Victoria, and as you can already tell by the title, today I will be sharing with you all how I apply and prepare, or prepare and apply, either way, my hot oil treatments. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy. See you in a bit.
Okay, so really quick, here's a look at what I use for my hot oil treatments. Shea butter, organic coconut oil, avocado oil, as well as olive oil. Okay, so as we know, shea butter as well as coconut oil are both solids, so I place them in a pot on low until they melt. While that melts, I'm just going to go ahead and pour in the avocado and olive oil. And now that this has finished melting, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the coconut oil and shea butter mix. Now what I'm going to do is take my Kapchair sleeve, which is filled with flax seeds, and warm it in the microwave. This is going to keep my oils warm, which you guys know I definitely need to do because I use shea butter and coconut oil and I don't want it reverting back to solid form. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this in the microwave for 40 seconds and use it to cover my oils. Hey, let's get started. The beastly hair. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is grab my Kapchair cap and put it over my head. I'm going to use this to cover my hair later. Now, if you guys don't remember from my previous videos, this cap is lined with polyurethane laminate, and that's what's going to help keep the heat and the nutrients in. It also comes with this microfiber towel that I'm going to snap to the back so I won't get all messy. Alright, let's get started. So first I'm going to start by sectioning my hair off. I'm just going to use this hair bow to keep it separated and go in with the hot oil treatment. I like to start at my scalp to make sure my scalp is absorbing all of the nutrients. Oh, and just in case you guys were curious, the reason I warm my oils on the stove is because I don't believe in putting it in the microwave because I believe the radiation kills the nutrients. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply and drag the hot oil treatment to the strands and the ends of my hair, making sure to really pay close attention to the ends of my hair, and then twisting it and tying it into somewhat of a bantu knot and moving on to the next step. Now again, I'm going to go in at my roots and at my scalp. I'm going to pour the oil in and massage it gently into my scalp in circular motions like so. And then I'm going to pour it onto my hair and drag it to the ends. And just like before, I'm going to tie it into a bit of a bantu knot and then work on to the next section. So I'm just going to very carefully separate these last two sections, and then I'm going to go in at my roots again and massage it in. This is the most important part. And then I'm just going to drag the oil to the ends of my hair, making sure to really saturate the ends. And now once more for good measure, I'm going to press and slide all the way to the ends of my hair and then twist this up into a bantu knot as well. Finally, we have made it to the last section of hair, and I'm just going to repeat the same process here. I'm just going to make sure I get it in at my roots and make sure that I get full coverage all over the strands of my hair as well. I'm going to go ahead and twist it into a bantu knot, and look at me. Like my style? I am all done, guys. I'm just going to remove this towel and I'm going to let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes. I'm just going to pull the cap up, tie the strings together, and we're all done. Now I'm just going to shampoo my hair, and here are the results. Guys, I am just so pleased with this.
I hope you all have enjoyed this video today on how I prepare and apply my hot oil treatments. Please take a look at the description box. I will leave the information for Kapchair below. Also, if you guys need to reach me, you can contact me on Instagram. My Instagram name is at @a_beauty_beast. So feel free to send me a direct message there. And as usual, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.